Welcome back. In the previous lecture, we learned how to add and remove items from LIFOQueue using put and get. In this lecture, we will cover the essential methods for inspecting the queue state, checking its size, if it is empty, or if it is full, all crucial for building robust, reliable programs. 1. Checking queue size. The qsize method returns the current number of items held in the queue. This is a simple but vital method for monitoring the workload, especially in producer-consumer scenarios where one part of the program adds items and another removes them. 2. Checking status. The empty method returns true if the queue contains 0 items and false otherwise. This is often used to prevent calling get on an empty queue, which can cause the program to hang. The full method returns true if the queue is at its maximum capacity. Since our current queue is unbounded, full will always return false. 3. Creating a bounded queue. To make the queue have a limited capacity, you must pass the maxsize argument during instantiation. Here, we set the maximum size to 3. Once 3 items are added, the queue is considered full. If you attempt to call put on a full bounded queue, the function will block indefinitely until space is available. To summarize, these inspection methods are vital for controlling data flow and preventing unexpected program halts. Our next lecture 38.04, LIFOQueue. See you there.